If you're also getting an issue while publishing new information on your channel customization, and when you hit publish it gives you an error that's please try again later. Let's fix this in this video. As you can see, we couldn't save your changes, please try again later. Let's just remove my description and try hitting publish again. Let's see if it work or not, and it didn't work. So for the fix, so basically it's just an issue with YouTube, to be honest. There's nothing you can do. You can try changing a browser and shit, but let's just try it without the Brave script blockers and all. I'll just select my logo and change the name, hit publish. Let's see if it will let me do that. Yep, you just have to disable your Brave this thing, the ad blocker and stuff, or you can try on different browsers. So as you can see, it just let me did that. I just have to verify my Gmail now. Let me do it real quick. Well, I don't have authenticator on me. After verify, it changed the published, like changes are published, like how do you say that? It worked, to be honest. You'll have to disable your ad blocker, or you can try resetting your, like deleting your history, or you can just go to an incognito window or maybe a different browser to fix that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace.